Who makes the sound by Angel Stories? Can your little one guess the animal moo, woof, quack? Each page is a fun guessing game your toddler will love. This adorable book helps kids learn animal sounds, build early speech, and enjoy story time with you. Simple words, playful rhythm, and lots of giggles. Perfect for babies, toddlers, and preschoolers. Let's read, play, and learn together. Available on Kindle Unlimited and the Angel Stories author page. Check the link in bio.